It ain't rocket science, y'all. Just a bunch of pipe. Welding a bunch of pipe together, that's all. We can do it. We can do it. If we don't do it right, we can still do it. Oh! You can find a place to throw them away if they can run up in your tires too, the little welding tips. You can buy a little wire welder, flux welder with no gas. They're pretty cheap. They're kind of a pain in the neck to weld with too, but I mean, it can be done. Probably what I'll do, get me one of them. The other thing I thought about doing though would be cooler is I've got a gas welder. I got one of them Cobra 600 gas welders at home like Mr. Head of Chevy uses, and I don't ever use it up there. I'm thinking when I go home, I'm going to leave the Prius down here and drive either the Jeep or the truck back down. If I did, I could bring that Cobra unit and give me a chance to learn how to weld with it down here. That'd be cool.